Welcome to Satvidya Java tutorials. Now we are in section 8. In this lesson we are going to talk about lower bounded wildcards. We are dealing with the example of vehicle. So before we start talk about lower bound, we are going to discuss about the super keyword. We have a super keyword where we can access the parent class, methods, fields and the constructor. You can use super dot field to access the parent class fields. You can use super dot methods to access the parent class methods, and you have a super of to execute the constructor of the parent class. In the same way, in wildcards also you can use the super keyword to restrict the user not to use the subclasses, or to restrict the user to use only the parent classes of that particular class. Here if you are using a question mark super keyword ships, that means the ships class we can access water class or vehicle class, that means all the parent classes of that class. So now let's go to the Eclipse and look at our example. So here we are taking about the ships class here. Here as usual, first I am initially giving a wildcards, that means wildcard, unbounded wildcard, where I am not giving any upper bound or the lower bound. So what happens if you this you can get, let me save this. What happens here, what you can do here is you can send any object, like you can send subclasses, you can send parent classes, or also you can send any other objects here like this. So when we are going to deal with let me comment this first. Yeah, if you want to restrict user for the super classes, you can use the super keyword here. So what I am using here I am making it like a super keyword for water vehicle. So if you go to our hierarchy, this is a water vehicle where our super class for the water vehicle is vehicle, and ships, boats, merchandise, everything comes under subclasses. So whenever I try to do that, what happens immediately, Java is it is going to, the compiler is going to produce an compilation error by saying you cannot send these subclasses like gasoline or merchandise ships. You can send water vehicle or vehicle. So let me make our super class with another merchandise ship here. So our merchandise ship means where it goes. Here it goes. That means you can access ships, water vehicle, vehicle. So now let's go here and let me check this. So I'm going to uncomment this first, and then if you observe, now it is to send merchandise ship also. So like this you can restrict user to use the super classes, parent classes of that particular class, and not use the other classes. So if you want to add it, you can directly, since I am using list, you can directly add that merchandise to your particular list. So we are going to discuss about that example in our later classes. Just now just understand the concept of the upper bound, lower bound and the unbounded wildcards. I hope you got a clear picture. Let's have a quick review here. So unbounded means we can use, you are going to represent with question mark, and you can use all the classes, you can send all the classes to this wildcard. And upper bound means you are restricting user to use only subclasses by using a keyword called extends, where here you are using ships, it is going to make use of all the subclasses, but it don't allow the other classes. Now coming to lower bound. Lower bound means you are going to make restrict user to use all the parent classes, but you are not going to allow the subclasses like this. So in our next class we are going to see guidelines how to use it with an example. So don't miss it. Keep watching. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends who want to learn Java from basics, and please don't forget to subscribe. And for our notifications, please press the bell icon below. And for notes, please visit www.it.satvidya.com. Thank you.